Now this is the Stoeger Atac Air Rifle. It's engineered and designed in Italy. It comes in 177 and 22 caliber. Now the rifle also comes with a 4 to 16 mil-dot reticle Stoeger airgun scope, purposely designed for this rifle. Now the rifle comes with its own bipod and also Picatinny rail adapters. Now the Atac relies on a simple, quiet gas ram driven action that cocks with a break open barrel. Now this beautiful air rifle, the stock is designed for left and right-handed shooters. The velocity is amazing. Lead pellets travel over 1,000 feet per second. Alloy over 1,200 feet per second. So let's have some fun with this rifle. Oh, deadly.